So we are on the Catamaran Twin, and we're meeting Nathan. Hi.
Hey, how are you? Okay?
We're good.
Nice to meet you.
Awesome.
Yeah, this
Cool.
is Twin, beautiful Lagoon 620, 2015. We are 8-pack, 4 cabins, 3 crew. Yeah, with the master suite on the starboard side.
Awesome. We had a bit of rain.
We've had some rain this morning, but the sun is now out. It is the Caribbean, and it does rain, but the sun always returns.
Let's just move somewhere where we're set up and cool. Cool. So let's take a walk around. Do you want to start? Let's start inside, and then we'll do the
So obviously
outside.
the aft deck. This is where the guests have all their meals. It's always dry in here, so no matter what, the guests always have breakfast, lunch, and dinner outside. We've got the wet bar here, ice makers, fridges, and stuff. So this is a very popular spot, obviously, because this is where all the magic happens with Jake in the bar.
Awesome. How's it going, Jake?
Good. How are you?
All right.
Which is quite nice because you
Okay.
have to
We'll see Laura a bit later, so salon.
Okay.
It's
I'll
nice
just
that
take
they don't have the separate linens, you
one
know,
through.
and like to share a duvet and that kind of thing.
So we'll
yeah.
start here. All right.
Yeah, should we go down
Sure.
to one of the cabins?
Provide
Awesome.
all the amenities like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion,
As I
bath.
said, 4 cabins, basically 1 in each corner. Starboard forward, this one is. We call this the VIP cabin. Second biggest cabin on the boat. It's got the desk here, which we set up as the games cabin for this charter. Dry heads, separate showers, of course. Queen size bed. Beautiful. Nice and light and airy. Minimalistic. Yeah. And you can go straight across if you like. Let's go to the port forward. To the right. Okay, port forward. Similar to the starboard forward, it just doesn't have the large desk behind us there. Same size head and shower. Now what's worth noting in this cabin is we've set up the bed as 2 singles. So we can do this in every cabin if required. Basically separate linens, so if you have kids or siblings or even adults that don't want to share the same sheets, we can set it up as 2 singles basically. And we can do that for all the cabins, and likewise we can have all the cabins as queens as well.
That's neat.
Alright. Go to the port aft. We'll stay out of Laura's galley. She's got a knife in her hands.
Yeah, always best.
Laura's preparing for a dinner tonight, so she's busy.
Wonderful.
This is the port aft cabin. We've set this one up as the kids' cabin. You can see Jake's excellent towel folding skills there. Access out to the cockpit as well if they want to use it. And again, we've set it up as 2 singles rather than the queen, as you can see. Alright. Notice the carpets as well. Every cabin does have carpets. Luxurious and cozy at the same time. The guests love it.
It's comfortable.
Yeah. And then we'll go straight across to the starboard aft, which is the master suite. It is the beautiful owner version. Here we are. Beautiful bathroom area, his and hers sink, and then obviously the access to the cockpit as well. And the loo, the head, is just in there.
Yeah, it's I guess it's fine. Cool.
And that's all the cabins covered.
Let's stop with Laura for a
little
second
quick chat.
Sure.
and ask the question. All right.
Questions at the moment.
So
There's some water from the onions, sorry.
you're crying already. Cool.
Yes, go ahead.
So what is the dish that the guests enjoy the most?
Well, so there's a dish that I do every week because I know the guests are going to absolutely love it, and
when all my guests eat fish, because sometimes we have vegans and vegetarians on board, so I adapt it and make a vegan version. But if they all eat fish, I do a salmon, a Thai salmon fish cake. Sometimes I use cod, sometimes I use salmon. It really depends on obviously what you can get and where you are. On a bed of peanut Asian slaw. With very, very lightly curried rice noodles and drizzled with a lime and sweet chili dressing. So yeah, and that always goes down really, really well.
Sounds wonderful, and that's what you did for the competition, right?
That's what I did for the competition
so-
today, so keep your fingers crossed.
So you know you're gonna win. You're kind of just waiting. When do they announce? All right.
When is it? Tomorrow.
Yeah. So you're kind of
Yeah.
like sleep easy.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's just a bit of fun, isn't it, at the end of the day?
All right.
All right, should we go outside?
Please.
Yeah.
But it would be nice if I did win with that one to be able to
What do
say
you
to my
mean?
guests, this is the one that won the culinary competition.
Like it's. I think it's for sure.
Bless you.
Like how can you lose with this?
Okay, as you can see, we've got the upgraded cushions on Twin as well. So I guess they're always lounging around here, and once they lie down there, they do struggle to get up. Let's go around the deck. So take note of the beautiful teak deck all the way around the boat. I have to put my glasses on. The sun has finally come out.
Yeah, we waited all day for this.
We've got a wet morning here in the BVI. Okay, so obviously a whole array of toys, kayaks, paddleboards, all the tender water toys like the water skis and the wakeboards, a couple of sea-doos. Kids love them, playing around on them when we're snorkeling and stuff. A few beach activities, and then some floaty chairs as well for the beach or for the deck or wherever really, even in the water. This blue and white thing over here on the left, this is our floating bar. Great for off the back of the boat for enjoying a drink or a cocktail, but also it's very, very useful for the baths. So when we go to the baths over on Virgin Gorda, because we can't take the dinghies, the tenders to the beach, we load it up with champagne and drag it into the beach, and then our guests can enjoy champagne on the beach at the baths. Yeah, very useful. And it could even carry some kids. Tender there, 60 horsepower outboard engine, plenty of power to do any water sports with it. Okay, let's go to the fly bridge. Again, we got full teak decks upstairs as well. That element of luxury. And then we've got the beautiful 620 fly bridge. Vast amount of space. 50% shade, 50% sun for the sunbathers and the shade lovers alike. And the beautiful relaxation area. Obviously all the cushions are wet because it's been raining so hard this morning, but literally they will probably take like 20 minutes to dry.
Yeah, I see they're already like almost dry, and the sun just came out. So yeah, we get to test it. Yeah, really quick. Yeah.
We don't want to alarm them for another 5 minutes, but you can see where the sun is on them already. That they're already now.
Wonderful.
It only stopped raining 10 minutes ago.
All right, Nathan. Thank you for showing me around.
Thank you so much.
All right.